Hey, what's up, guys? I had been wanting to kind of make a video on this for a while, but this is kind of some behind the scenes of how I do my rhinestone uh, garments. So, like this one here, and then I essentially with this right here, it's a rhinestone template, and this is a flock sheet. So each hole the rhinestones go into, and after that, you put transfer paper over it, and then you're able to put it onto hoodies, on t-shirts, on whatever you can think of. But you need the template first, and then of course I got new rhinestones, so I put the rhinestones there. Here in a minute, I'm just gonna record a bit of that process so I can show you guys how that kind of works. And then lastly, I will do a press, and then you guys can kind of see from there as well. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so here is the flock sheet, like I was saying, and this is the stones. This right here is a just kind of a rhinestone like spreader tool, if you will. It just makes it a lot easier. So what you do, kind of spread some stones around. Now, you may end up using all of them, you may end up not using them all, but essentially, this is the basis. And then from here, you just all right, so I just got done laying all the stones. Of course, you can see there's no holes or anything. All the stones laid out flat. You get your transfer sheet. I had to take some out of here so that I can get the top part. Then I'll put these back, and then I'll get this one after. But just wanted to show you. So you get the transfer tape, and this part is a little tricky. So, and then you're just gonna follow through from one side all the way to the other. Slowly. Boom. Just like that. And then I usually and if you see right there, there's another stone that got left out. So what you do, the backing of the transfer, and then just like that, boom, you're good to go. So I'll do the same process to this one here, and then from here you're able to take it to the heat press, and then of course it's ready to press. So the same thing with this one. Like I said, you get some transfer paper. And now we have a new transfer, and this can be applied to your shirt or hoodie or anything like that. I'm putting this on the side of a hoodie, and I'll show that here in a little bit. All right, so I have my heat press set at 336 for 11 seconds, and then I also have the hoodie here. I'm gonna have one of the rhinestone sheets here, and on the inside I have one of these press pillows. It just helps elevate the actual part that's gonna be pressed. So we'll do a pre-press first. And this is the transfer sheet. So now this is pre-press. We'll get the transfer sheet taken off. The rhinestones. We're just gonna place it where we want it. Again, we're gonna let this go for the 11 seconds. I'll probably let it go a little more after that, but it's at 336. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. And of course, this is gonna be scorching hot, so there you go. I always use this. It's a koozie. Just kind of lay it down, cool it off a little bit before I fill it. And just like that, we got the burner boy hit. Lastly, to just make sure that it's locked in, this is a Teflon sheet. Pop it here. Then we're gonna go ahead and do one more press. So here's that press pillow that I was telling you about. Super hot. And then yeah, there's the final hit there. So they hit on the side. Then of course we have the front there. So yeah, just a little behind the scenes. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. And yeah, I'd love to help you guys out. So appreciate it.